Hi, my name is John Mayberry with Real Property Management, and today I'm going to talk about how to screen tenants like a professional management company. So there are three main things that we look at when we're processing an application. The first and probably most obvious is their income. So how do we qualify someone based on income? What we like to see is that a gross combined household income equal 3 times the amount of the rent. If the rent's $2,000, husband and wife and a couple kids, both parents work, the gross combined income needs to equal $6,000. Simple enough. So what we ask for are their paycheck stubs, most recent paycheck stubs from the last couple months worth of bank statements. If they are starting a new job, we ask for a letter from their employer stating what their salary is going to be. And then we move on to the credit report, probably the next most obvious qualifying item. What you need to decide on is what is your qualification for credit? What do you require that the tenant have credit-wise in order to rent the property? At our company, we use 600, a 600 FICO score. We've actually dropped that down when we were faced with the recession and a lot of folks were losing their homes. It was something that we looked at. The only negative thing on their credit report was that they hadn't been able to make their mortgage payment. It had inflated, their interest rate had adjusted and they were paying an astronomical mortgage. They weren't able to afford it. That was the only negative thing. And so we lowered the credit score requirement to 600 to be able to accommodate those people. That being said, a 600 credit score will not necessarily qualify you. We do analyze each credit report on an individual basis. So if we look at a credit and it is a 650, let's say, and we see that ABC Management Company has an account and collections for them for $3,500, they're probably not going to qualify based on that alone until we figure out what exactly happened there and get to the bottom of it. Could be rent, they could have been evicted, which is something that we'll touch on later. We will not rent to anyone who's been evicted. Finally, our rental references. When you call the tenant's rental references, be prepared and have a list of maybe 10 different questions that you'd like answered about the prospective applicant. Things that you want to know about them. Did they pay their rent on time? How much of their security deposit did they get back? Did they have any pets? Things like that. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions about anything I discussed today, I'd love to chat with you about it. Give me a call or send me an email.